Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes, and I think it's a very common restaurant favorite as well. A lot of the times when you go to an Indian restaurant and check the vegetarian menu, you would definitely see this. Any guesses what it could be? Well, there's no point in taking a guess because you would have read it on the title of the video. Yes, we will be making Aloo Gobi. So aloo in Hindi stands for potato and gobi stands for cauliflower. It's a very simple dish, very easy, and I'm sure you can definitely make it after seeing this video. And yes, it's vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free. So I guess we should get going with the recipe. Let's do it. So it's aloo gobi, which means you have to start with aloo, which is potatoes. I've taken a gobi or the cauliflower, but I'll only use half of the head. Some ginger and garlic, which I'll crush into a paste, 1 onion, and for the laziness, I'm using just tomato puree. In a pan, I've added oil, around 3 tablespoons. You can add more if you want to make it a richer dish. Add ghee if you like. Then added 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, and hing. Gone ahead and added half teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. And if you did not know, cumin has a lot of essential oils that would come out when you let it splutter in hot oil. I've added the chopped onion to this along with some salt, around 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. My mother used to say that if you add salt and turmeric powder while it's cooking, it just fastens the speed of cooking. Gone ahead and added 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, or the paste that we made earlier using the ginger and the garlic. And now I've added my chopped green chili. You can skip green chili completely, but it just brings in a really nice flavor. Now time to use the pureed tomato. So I've added around 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can actually make these powders at home by dry roasting these spices and just pounding them with a pestle and mortar. Mix it all really well and then add the drained or the washed cauliflower and potato. Do you see how big the chunks of the cauliflower is? This is where I realized that I have screwed up by taking a small pan. So I slowly started working around my way by mixing that paste with the cauliflower. I added 1 to 2 cups of water and then bring it to a good boil. Lower the flame, bring it to a simmer, put a lid and let it cook. And now after 15 minutes, it's all cooked, and do you see the change in the color? It has become so bright red thanks to the tomato puree. It's not spicy, it's just the tomato puree that's making it look so. Now final touch, adding the garam masala. This is my home blend that I make, and I've added around 1 teaspoon of that, some coriander leaves. These are, I think, around 10 grams of chopped coriander leaves is what I've added to this. And mix it all well. Your dish is ready. Serve this with jeera rice or any kind of flatbread. Dun dun! There you go. This is aloo gobi. You can make it as rich as you like it. If you add more oil and a lot more spices, of course it gets richer. But I prefer this. This is home style cooking almost. So it's not very rich, but also it's not very bland. But I prefer it this way, and this is exactly how I guess you could also try. So I hope you all like this recipe, and don't forget to give it a try. If you like this video, don't leave this video without giving me a like, a comment down below, share this with your friends, let them all know how to make aloo gobi, and yes, Please subscribe to my channel for more such content coming in 3 times a week. So till I see you all again with another recipe, take care and bye.